The National Assembly or Aiwān-e-Zairīñ of Pākistān is the lower legislative house of the bicameral Majlis-e-Shura, which also comprises the Senate of Pakistan. The National Assembly and the Senate both convene at Parliament House in Islamabad. The National Assembly is a democratically elected body consisting of a total of 336 members. Before 25th Amendment there used to be 342 who are referred to as members of the National Assembly, of which 272 are directly elected members and 70 reserved seats for women and religious minorities. A political party must secure 137 seats to obtain and preserve a majority. Members are elected through the first-past-the-post system under universal adult suffrage, representing electoral districts known as National Assembly constituencies. According to the Constitution, the 70 seats reserved for women and religious minorities are allocated to the political parties according to their proportional representation. Each National Assembly is formed for a 5-year term, commencing from the date of the first sitting, after which it is automatically dissolved. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.